targeting system data, this is going to be a little anomalous. I apologize for that, but that's mostly because there's some things that customs just won't tell you at the end of the day. And what we can tell you is that each shipment that comes into the United States is basically given a score with regards to where it's coming from, what the commodity is, who's involved in the shipment, country of origin, things like that. Each of these data points has a certain score associated with it. And if you reach a threshold, you will trigger an exam. So the things that kind of give customs the data to be able to look into this are for air and ocean, the AMS information. So what's provided to them prior to the sailing. And kind of paired with that is the ISF. So your ISF is going to tell them, you know, who manufactured it, who's selling it, who's buying it, what it is, where it's made, where it's going. You know, so they get quite a bit of information right off the bat before that vessel even sails. And that gives them a lot of information to say, yeah, we're going to want to take a look at this, or no, this looks pretty good, we're good. And then prior to the arrival into the U.S., the customs entry, if you have that filed before it enters the U.S., you send that information off to customs. That can trigger the exam because enough, you know, points or that score was met in order to trigger the hold. But like I said, this is about as specific of information as you're going to get on that. Like I referred to earlier, if you're asking a customs officer why your shipment was held, you're talking to a brick wall most of the time, because they are not going to share that information with you. They take their job very seriously, which they should. And they are going to say, basically, you have the information that you need. You know what we want from you in order to proceed. You need to get us what we asked for in order to proceed.